So today I'm going to show you guys how I make the feet for my elephant pattern. So in order for your puffs to be more clean, I'm going to show you how I do it. You can do it however you choose. It's whatever you like to do. So let's go ahead and begin. We're going to need your crochet hook, you're going to need a stitch marker, and you're going to need your main color and your contrast color. So I've already completed rounds 1 and 2. We're going to move on to round 3, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how I work those mini puff stitches. Oops. You need to work in the back loop only of this round. Okay, so after I complete my first half double crochet, I'm going to drop my main color yarn and pick up my contrast color yarn. I'm going to hold that against my stitches, and I'm going to yarn over, go into the back loop of the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, go back into the same stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You should have 5 loops on your hook now. Now drop your main color yarn and pick your contrast color yarn back up and yarn over and pull all 5 stitches. We'll go ahead and place our next stitch. So with our main color, we made a half double crochet. Drop your main color, pick up your contrast color, yarn over, go into the back loop, yarn over and pull up a loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, go back into the same stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You should have 5 loops on your hook. So you have 4 that are in your contrast color and 1 that's in your main. Drop your contrast color and pick your main color back up, yarn over, and go through all 5 loops. So then you can see by doing it this way, you have your puff stitch, but on the top of your puff stitch, it's your main color yarn. So it just makes it a clean, nicer look. So you're just going to continue doing that as the pattern states. And that's how you do the mini puffs. I hope this helps, guys.